Django is an open-source server-side web application framework written in Python. It is designed to reduce the effort required to create complex data-driven websites and web applications, with a special focus on less code, no redundancy, and being more explicit than implicit. Django was created in the fall of 2003, when the web programmers at the Lawrence Journal World newspaper, Adrian Holovedy and Simon Willison, began using Python to build applications. In June 2008, it was announced that a newly formed Django Software Foundation, DSF, would maintain Django in the future. Django follows the MVC, Model View Controller, architectural pattern. This consists of an object-relational mapper that mediates between data models, Python classes, and a relational database, model. A system for processing requests with a web templating system, View. A regular expression-based URL dispatcher, controller. Some well-known sites that use Django include Instagram, Mozilla, Disqus, Bitbucket, Nextdoor, and Clubhouse.